So this is what you get in the instructions, which you might think is easy to understand. I don't know. Gives you a lot of data. But from what I've seen other people do when they install it is they try to get it to be roughly like so even. And then they'll use a tool like a sharp screwdriver or something like this, and they'll poke holes into it, and then they'll use this to fasten it down. And already I can see that this may be a little bit challenging. Alright, see you in the next video.